What's better than a mid-90s Toyota Rav4? Two mid-90s Rav4s. What's better than two mid-90s Rav4s? Three. I'm joking, I only have two, but I did get myself the three-door version. I wanted the full Rav4 experience. Both of these come from the same factory. Built in Toyota City in Japan, the four-door left the Motomachi plant in late 1995 and the three-door left the Motomachi plant in early 1996. The three-door rolled out slightly lighter, weighing just over 1.1 tons, and it looks like they simply forgot to install the midsection. They are not identical twins, but share many similarities. Both of these RAV4s have exactly the same 3 SFE engines, the ones that were installed in the first RAV4s, from 1994 until mid-1996. These are extremely robust engines, with fully floating piston pins, thick piston rings, thick connecting rods, a knock sensor, a distributor for the ignition. These torquey engines are more reliable than an AK-47. Having driven both vehicles, what are the main differences? Firstly, the three-door has 2 extra cup holders in the back. Everybody gets a cup holder.
In the 5-door, instead of cup holders on the side, the seats are widened and there's some soft material here so that you can squash an extra small person in the middle and have 3 people in the back seat.
Both have nifty mid-90s styling in the interior and the materials have aged well. The 2 front doors on the smaller car are impractically large, which means you will have to take care when getting in and out of the vehicle so as not to bump people next to you. Both vehicles have a massive swing door at the rear, which is perfect for loading goods. If you want to be pragmatic, the 5-door has roomier luggage space for carrying things. The 3-door has the added fun factor of dual sunroofs, which is fantastic for game viewing or if you just want a good point of view. The 3-door has a slightly better power to weight ratio, but both vehicles are manual transmissions with 4-wheel drive and a central locking diff. They feel similar on-road and off-road, although the 3-door does have a smaller turning circle. Baksteen, the 5-door, has done 300,000 miles or 484,000 kilometers. Her younger sibling, Eish, has done just over 200,000 miles or 333,000 kilometers. All versions of the 90s RAV4 come with glass headlights, which, like the RAV4 itself, will never fade. Baksteen has 4 electric windows, whereas Eish only has 2. The back 2 windows and the 3-door barely open enough to let in a few air molecules. Both Baksteen and Eish are running flawlessly, and there is no real need for me to get this 3-door. However, it's exactly the same as the original Toyota RAV4 displayed at the 1993 Tokyo Motor Show. And there's something special about that. I will be upgrading and maintaining the 3-door. I've already coated the drum brakes with some galvanizing primer and durable spray paint and slapped on some mud guards. Otherwise, I intend to use Eish as it was advertised back in the early 90s as a recreational active vehicle.